Once upon a time in the intricate world of biology, we uncovered the secrets of a human cell. These remarkable cells serve as the smallest unit in our body's vast structure and function. Each cell is wrapped in a plasma membrane, filled with bustling cytoplasm, and contains the precious DNA that holds our encoded instructions. In humans, we are multicellular beings, where different cell types take on specialized roles. However, each shares common machinery that enables life. Let's take a quick mental journey through a typical animal cell. The membrane acts as a selective barrier and signaling surface, while the cytoskeleton maintains shape and aids in transport. The nucleus houses the genome and oversees transcription, while the and Golgi apparatus are responsible for protein and lipid production. Mitochondria serve as the powerhouses, generating ATP and managing metabolism. Meanwhile, lysosomes and peroxisomes focus on degradation and detoxification processes, and ribosomes carry out the vital task of protein synthesis. Peering into the major human cell types, we find distinct features that set them apart. Epithelial cells form polarized sheets, acting as barriers while absorbing and secreting substances. Muscle cells, whether skeletal, cardiac, or smooth, utilize actin and myosin for movement. Neurons and glial cells create a neural communication network, while connective tissue supports and stores energy. Moving on, we encounter membranes that facilitate transport and communication. The plasma membrane forms a phospholipid bilayer, keeping gradients while allowing compartmentalization. Transport occurs through channels, transporters, and pumps, while membrane potential creates electrical signals crucial for cellular function. Delving into the organelles, each plays an integral role. The nucleus stores the genome, regulating gene expression through transcription and splicing. Ribosomes translate genetic coding into proteins, while the rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in folding and lipid synthesis. The Golgi apparatus modifies and packages proteins, while mitochondria produce essential ATP. Cells harness energy through a metabolic balance of catabolism and anabolism. Key pathways, like glycolysis, the TCA cycle, and fatty acid metabolism, fuel cellular activities. Each cell adapts its metabolic wiring based on its current state and needs. As cells progress through the cycle of life, they navigate checkpoints governed by cyclins and tumor suppressors, ensuring everything runs smoothly. When DNA damage occurs, repair mechanisms kick in. Meanwhile, programmed cell death maintains balance within tissues. In this interconnected web, cell-to-cell communication helps cells sense their environment. They respond to various cues, adapting gene expression and behavior accordingly. Adult stem cells possess the unique ability to self-renew and generate specialized cell types, signaling potential for repair and recovery. To study human cells, scientists employ various methods. They utilize cell cultures, microscopy, and advanced techniques like flow cytometry and genome engineering to uncover the mysteries of cellular behavior. In clinical contexts, understanding cells sheds light on diseases like cancer, neurodegeneration, and metabolic disorders. With more knowledge, researchers can devise methods to combat these health challenges. Yet, several misconceptions persist in the scientific world. People often see pathways as linear or think organelles function independently. Also, misunderstanding genetic drift may lead to misjudgment of cell lines. As we wrap up our cellular tale, we establish key featured numbers. Cells vary in diameter, the human genome is immense, and our ATP turnover is remarkable. The membrane potential in neurons reveals the intricate dance of electrical energy that powers our very existence.